Namaskara, hi friends, today I am unboxing IMAX B6 digital battery charger for my 6S battery for RC drone. Let's unbox. Let's wrap it. Let's get okay, let's wrap it. Oh baby, I got the box. Nothing having inside. Okay, let's unbox. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's too small. I think it looks big, but it's too small. I got a bell. Let's go. Some connectors, and this is the best thing. Okay. Oh, looks good. What is this? Looks new. Okay, let's charge and see. Okay friends, bye. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video and share with your friends. Okay friends, bye.